Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Middle Earth Shadow of War game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after you search for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game without any further problem. So make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here under general you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you have to wait for some time. After verifying the game files, launch it and then check if it's working. If not, next is to run game from the installation folder. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now here is the game application, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to run the game as admin. So for that, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and then check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. So let me search for the game over here. So if you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game to the list. After that, select the game application, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and here switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, try to launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You simply copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once done, close this. Now restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, again launch the game and then check. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and type msconfig, press OK. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services, then select hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now from here also you have to select the application and then click on disable. Once done, go back, click on OK, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application. So go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, you have to search and then click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Now after selecting high performance, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After turning off real-time protection, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that click on OK and then check if the game is launching or not. But later on again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. But if the issue continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall Middle-earth Shadow of War game. For that, go to Steam, under Libraries section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage, now click on Uninstall, and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and again reinstall Middle-earth Shadow of War game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Middle-earth Shadow of War game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.